everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about WebDollar and how you can mine it and get some money by only using your browser and your internet connection. So what is WebDollar? WebDollar is a cryptocurrency fully native to the World Wide Web, entirely written in JavaScript that requires no installations, no downloads, or no account creation to be mined. All you have to do is just go to webdollar.io and you can start mining directly on their site. This is how their official page looks like. Here we have the wallet section where you can just click on this little arrow and download your wallet so you can store it in a safer place, for example a USB drive. Here we can see some pool statistics because you can either choose to mine by yourself or you can join a mining pool. I'm currently in this pool which is charging me a 2% pool fee, and we are about 130 miners in this pool. And also, if you want to invite some of your friends, you will receive a 5% WebDollar for each friend that you invite. These are the available features that the platform has to offer at this moment, and these will come out in the future. And also here we can find some coin info. For example, this is the current price of WebDollar and we have a total supply of 42 billion WebDollars. Here is the map of this project, and also these are the creators and developers of WebDollar. The best part about WebDollar, besides the fact that it's a browser-based digital currency, is that they also don't use third parties, which means that you can save up some money instead of spending them on additional fees. You can use this browser on whatever device you have, whether it's a PC, laptop, tablet, or a smartphone, and there is no risk involved in using WebDollar besides the fact that you might get some latency on your browser or the battery of your device might drain faster, and also some slightly increased electricity consumption, but besides that, it's basically risk-free. If you feel like you need more information about this browser, you can go to webdollar.blog where you will find some articles about WebDollar that might answer your questions. And that's about it for today, guys. Hope this video was useful in some sort of way. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And also, if you have any questions or video suggestions, you can just leave them in the comments down below. I check every single comment, and until next time, I hope you have an amazing day.